Now go to question 32. Okay, this question is very similar to the previous one. This circle hemisphere is x squared plus y squared equals 25. Okay, together with this, the x-axis and the x plus h, x equals y equals h. And then we wolf of our y-axis, so that the volume of the solid, okay, it is again is its length is dy. Okay, it integrates dy, right, pi x squared from 0 to h. Okay, then I will not do it. You'll get this answer. Okay, and then part B, it is a little bit complicated. Let's look at it carefully. Composed of this part is the part A. This is part A. Okay, and then the upper part is a first sum. Okay, it's like this. It is a first sum. This is 6. Okay, and then here you see that this is longer. Okay, and this part is 8 only, and then you see that this part, okay, you have to find out this part. What is the length of this one? The length of this one is the way it is this one. Okay, and now h equals to 4. Okay, h equals to 4. That is, this length is 4, and this is 5. The radius is 5. The radius is 5. Okay, so you get 4, 5, and this is 3. And this part is 3, and this part is 3. Okay, you can easily see that this part is also 8. Okay, and then but you just cut off this part, and the height is h. Okay, the height is h. Okay, the height is h. Okay, that is the water level maybe here. Okay, in the cone. So it's poured, hot coffee is poured into the cup to a depth hcm at the rate of 8 cm cube per second. Okay, this is not dHdt, this is dVdt equals to 8, but you see that this is volume. Okay, the unit of volume, cm cube. And then part A1, part B1, as you find the increase of the depth of coffee, dHdt when h equals to 3. Okay, h equals to 3 is here. Okay, h equals to 3 is here. H equals to 3 is here. So you just find the volume. The volume is this one. Okay, V equals 25h minus h cubed over 3 pi. The volume is this one. You don't go into the fraction part, so you are going to find dHdt, so you dVdt first, and here is 25 dHdt minus 3h squared over 3 dHdt and the pi. Okay, and the question said that dVdt is 8. This one is 8, and then you will see that this one is h is 3, then this one is 9. Okay, 25 minus 9 pi dHdt. Okay, right, so the answer for dHdt is 1 over 2 pi, right? And then I finish this part, and then you see that in part 2, show that the volume is this one. Okay, so it goes to the fraction part. So how to find out the volume? Okay, you see that to the bottom part is the volume of this one, the volume is the bottom part is 25 and the height now is 4. I use this result, okay, minus 4 cube over 3 pi, okay. This is the bottom part, okay. And then the upper part is a little bit complicated. So the height of this one is, you have to find the radius, okay, the radius. So the radius is a similar triangle. I draw it here, R, okay, 3, 8, okay, I'm sorry, H is not here, H is just to this part, H is just this part, and this part is 4, okay, right, 4, you see that this is here, okay, so 8 to 3, okay, R, and then this one is the height for this one, okay, here is H, actually it is not H, it is H plus 4, this length is H plus 4, this is H, this is 4, this is H plus 4. So you can find out that R over H plus 4 equals to 3 over H. Therefore, R equals 3 over 8 H plus 4. So here the upper part is the cone, 1 over 3 pi R squared H, okay. The H is not H, the H is H plus 4, okay, minus this first one, okay, minus this part, okay. So minus 1 over 3 pi R squared H, okay. So I think adding up these two parts, adding up bottom part and the upper part, I got V. I think I got V equals to 164 pi over 3 plus 3 pi over 64 H plus 3 to the power H plus 4 X plus 4 to the power 3, okay, and then done. And then the final part is that it is full of coffee and it cracks and leaks at the rate of dV dt equals to minus 2, okay, remember minus 2 because it is leaking, okay, it is leaking. And then after 15 seconds, okay, 15 seconds, it leaks 30 cm cube, okay. So I think the H, you see that after leaking from full, okay, from full of, and then leak something, okay, it reached this part, okay, I don't think it goes below, okay, so I guess here, okay, and the H changed from this is 12, H changed from 12 to H again, okay, and then you're going to find out the H. So this volume is equals to the whole one is 164 the bottom part pi over 3 plus 3 pi over 64, the whole one is 12, okay, plus 4 cube, okay, minus 15 times 2. Okay, this is the new volume. Okay, the new volume is still equals to this one. It's still equals to this one. Okay, equals to these two are equal now, because you are going to find out the new h. You're going to find out the new h. Find the new h. Okay, and then I roughly found out that the new h is 3 pi over 64 h plus 4 cube equals to 192 pi minus 30. Okay, minus 30. So it is difficult to you can find out the h. You can find out the h. Then you can find out the h by taking cube roots. Okay, which is 64 over 3 pi. Sorry. Times 192 pi minus 30, taking the cube roots. Okay, minus 4. This is the new h. And now you are going to find out the range of degrees of depth. Okay, so again you want to find out dh dt, dh dt, just like here you find out the dh dt. Okay, you find out the dh dt. This one is unknown this time. This one is unknown. You don't know this one. Okay, so what is the h? What is the h? Sorry, dh dt. Now the v is this one. Okay, the v is this one. Okay, so you going to divide it by here. Okay, dv dt. Sorry, I do this part first. dv dt, the new. Okay, this is constant. 3 pi over 64 3 h plus 4 dh dt. Okay, you're going to find out dh dt, and you know that h is this one. H is this one. Then h is this one. Dual dv dt. dv dt is minus 2. Okay, it is a little bit complicated. Hope that you can find out the correct answer. Okay, then after substituting all in value, you find out dh dt equals to minus 0.0183. Okay, try to do it on your own.